Mwaramutse neza mwese. I guess even our guests, for the time they've been here, you've learned a bit of Kinyarwanda language. But I'll not take much time. I'm fortunate. Most of the things I had to say have been very well said by the mayor. So I just add a few things. One, I welcome our guests, our friends, our family to our country and to this action we had today, which is something we do and have been doing in actual fact for maybe the last 15 years, what we call Umuganda. That is a community coming together, doing things of common interest, whether it is to do with the cleaning up of our environment, planting trees, later on the maintenance of what we have built, put in place. We even help people who have different problems like accommodation. We build homes, schools. If not to completion, we contribute a big part to all that. So we are grateful that for the guests here, you found time to join us and be part of this that we were doing today. And it is an inspiration for us that we are joined even by others from so far away, as the case may be, and by the way, for the trees you've planted here, put your name on them, and you should be coming back to see how the trees are doing. To others who may not be here with us, I always want to remind ourselves that when we have built something, it is equally important to look after it. The maintenance part of that is as important as having started building it in the first place. So I think the message is loud and clear to the rest of our people that we need to do more, we need to do better at everything, including therefore keeping in good shape everything that we have built. So wish you a good day, wish you happy stay here. See you next time. Thank you very much.